നമസ്കാരം. ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ സൈക്കോളജിയിലെ കുറച്ച് ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ, ഹു ഡിസ്ക്രൈബ്ഡ് ലേണിംഗ് ആസ് പ്രോഗ്രസീവ് ബിഹേവിയർ അഡാപ്ഷൻ? ഓപ്ഷൻസ് എ ജോൺ വാട്സൺ, ബി എഫ് സ്കിന്നർ, സി എറിക് എറിക്സൺ, ഡി നെയിൽ ഫ്ലെമിംഗ്. ആൻസർ ബി എഫ് സ്കിന്നർ. Second question, Bloom's taxonomy of educational objectives give importance on? Options A, cognitive domain, B, affective domain, C, psychomotor domain, D, all of these. Answer D, all of these. Third question, as per Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligence, the aptitude shown by student in the field of art and creativity relates to which type of intelligence? Options A, verbal and linguistic intelligence, B, logical and mathematical intelligence, C, visual spatial intelligence, D, musical rhythmic intelligence. Answer C, visual spatial intelligence. Fourth one, arrange the following teaching process in order. First one, relating the present knowledge with the previous knowledge. Second, evaluation. Third, remedial teaching. Fourth, formulating objectives. Fifth, presentation of learning material. ഓപ്ഷൻസ് ആണ് ഈ കാണുന്നത്. അപ്പം ഇതിൻ്റെ കറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ആൻസർ ഓർഡറിൽ പറയാണ്. ഫോർമുലേറ്റിംഗ് ഒബ്ജക്റ്റീവ്സ്. സെക്കൻഡ് പോയിന്റ്, റിലേറ്റിംഗ് ദ പ്രസന്റ് നോളജ് വിത്ത് ദ പ്രീവിയസ് നോളജ്. പ്രസന്റേഷൻ ഓഫ് ലേണിംഗ് മെറ്റീരിയൽ. ഇവാലുവേഷൻ. റെമഡിയൽ ടീച്ചിങ്. ഇതാണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഓർഡർ. ഇനി ഫിഫ്ത്ത് വൺ, ദ മോസ്റ്റ് ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് സിംഗിൾ ഫാക്ടർ ഇൻ അണ്ടർലൈങ് ദ സക്സസ് ഓഫ് ബിഗിനിങ് എ ടീച്ചർ ഈസ്. ഓപ്ഷൻസ് എ, സ്കോളർഷിപ്പ്, ബി, കമ്മ്യൂണിക്കേറ്റീവ് സ്കിൽസ്, സി, പേഴ്സണാലിറ്റി ആൻഡ് ഇറ്റ്സ് എബിലിറ്റി ടു റിലേറ്റ് ദ ക്ലാസ് ആൻഡ് ടു ദ സ്റ്റുഡൻസ്, ഡി, ഓർഗനൈസേഷണൽ എബിലിറ്റി. ആൻസർ സി, personality and its ability to relate to the class and to the students. Sixth one, which of the following is the best examples of positive transfer of learning? Options A, one who learns maths can learn statistics well. B, one who rides cycle can drive bike easily. C, one who knows traditional typing keyboard handles computer keyboard smoothly. D, all of this. Answer D, all of these. Seventh one, the use of telecast materials in classroom. Options A, enhances concentration and learning. B, reduce the burden of teacher. C, increase the retention power of students. D, all of these. Answer A, enhances concentration and learning. Eighth one, in which of the following areas the education psychologist Erik Erikson concentrated on? Options A, affective development, B, social development, C, language development, D, cognitive development. Answer B, social development. Ninth one, the overall goal of Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan launched in 2001 included. Options A, universal access and retention to schools. B, bringing down the gender and social category gaps in elementary education. C, achieve significant enhancement in learning level of children. D, all of above. Answer D, all of the above. 10th one, which of the following is not a part of formative assessment? Options A, assignment, B, term test, C, oral questions, D, quiz and games. Answer B, term test. 11. When a teacher mixes local language very often with the medium of instruction, that is English, to make students' comprehension more effective, it is a process of dash. Options A, effective presentation of learning material. B, effective encoding of material in the medium. C, effective decoding. D, effective encoding and decoding. Answer D, effective encoding and decoding. 12th one, in which of the following teaching method maximum students participation can be ensured? Options A, lecture method, B, discussion method, C. Textbook method. D. Using the mixture of both verbal and non-verbal communication method. Answer B. Discussion method. 13th one. Who is called the father of modern experimental psychology? Options A. Freud. B. Carl Jung. C. Wilhelm Wundt. D. Max Wertheimer. Answer C. Wilhelm Wundt. 14th one. First call for the children was the slogan of Convention of Children's Rights organized by United Nations Human Rights Commission. What is the meaning premise of the slogan? Options A. In determining the educational objectives, the opinion of children must be given first importance. B. When there is only limited resources are available, children must be given first opportunity to share the resources. C. It is the duty of the state to ensure the availability of such limited resources first to the children. D. Both B and C. Answer D. Both B and C. 15th one. Which of the following combination is the most desirable option for ideal character formation of a child? Options A. Heredity and social relationship. B. Ideal parenting and good family environment. C. Good social relations and family background. D. Heredity and good parenting. Answer B. Ideal parenting and good family environment. 16th one. Which of the following is the best qualities of a test? Options A. Objectivity. B. Validity. C. Reliability. D. All of this. Answer D. All of this. 17th one. Which of the following is not an area of Bloom's cognitive domain? Options A. Comprehension. B. Application. C. Retention. D. Synthesis. Answer C. Retention. 18th one. One of your students is reported to be making issue with others during play period. In many occasions, he caused injuries to other players in ground. The way you adopt to correct him is options A. Experimental method. B. Observation method. C. Case study method. D. Clinical method. Answer C. Case study method. 19th one. The correct way to determine the mean of an exam score is options A. Arrange the score from lowest to biggest and find out the middle score. B. Arrange the score from lowest to biggest and identify the average of middle two scores. C. Divide the total of the scores with the number of the scores. D. Identify the score that have repeated more. Answer C. Divide the total of the scores with the number of scores. 20. The most important contribution of Froebel in education development is options A. Vocational schools. B. Play schools. C. Latin school. D. Kindergarten school. Answer D. Kindergarten schools. 21. Which of the following is not appropriate with the classroom management? Options A. Establish and teach rules. B. Reinforce positive behavior. C. Address misbehavior. D. Enforce strict discipline. Answer D. Enforce strict discipline. 22. The immediate outcome of teaching learning process is options A. Development of total personality of students. B. Change the behavior of students in the desirable direction. C. Good character formation. D. Make fit students for good citizens. Answer B. Change in the behavior of students in the desirable directions. 23. India disagreed with the clause number 32 of United Nations Convention for Right of Children. What does clause number 32 indicate? Options A. The state should agree with the right of children from being protected against economic exploitation. B. The state should ensure the right of children from being engaged in occupational activities that go against their study. C. The state should ensure protection of children's health and mental developments. D. All of this. ആൻസർ ഡി ഓൾ ഓഫ് ദിസ്. ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പഠിക്കുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ ഒരു കാര്യം ഒന്ന് പ്രത്യേകം ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക. അപ്പൊ ആ ക്ലോസിൽ വന്നിരിക്കുന്ന എന്തൊക്കെ കാര്യങ്ങളാണെന്നുള്ളതാണ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ ആ 3 പോയിന്റും എന്താണെന്ന് നന്നായിട്ടൊന്ന് വായിച്ച് മനസ്സിലാക്കിയിരിക്കണം കേട്ടോ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് 24. എറേഴ്സ് ഓഫ് ലേണേഴ്സ് ഓഫൺ ഹെൽപ്പ് us അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്. ഓപ്ഷൻസ് എ lack of interest in learning, ബി socio-economic status of learners, സി alternate concept development in learners, ഡി how children learn. Answer C. Alternate concepts develop in learners. 25. Which of the following is the best way to ensure the educational achievement of children with learning disabilities? Options A. Ensure their skill development. B. Treat them at par with other students. C. Identify their intellectual potential in other fields and promote them. D. Give them remedial teach. Answer C. Identify their intellectual potential in other field and promote them.